Welcome to online class. In the last class we have discussed regarding the fourth unit, that is creativity and innovation. In that we have started with the creativity, the introduction of the creativity, meaning of the creativity, definition of the creativity, advantages of the creativity, stages of creative thoughts. Then we have gone through some examples, and then we have learned regarding the techniques and methods of creativity, then the requirements of creativity. So today we'll understand or we'll learn regarding the creativity exercises. See, there are some exercises which motivates the participants to think creatively. Then what are those creative exercises? Will understand with the help of the theories or the different exercises as well as the practical exercises. Theory exercises as well as what? Practical exercises. So first we'll understand with the theory exercises. The first creativity exercise is image streaming. See, in this exercise, this exercise is to be carried out in what? Pairs or the individuals. In a group we can perform it, or as an individual we can do this exercise. So the exercising participants should close their eyes and ask themselves a question. The exercising participant then describes out loud what he or she is mentally visualizing the images, okay, either to another party or to a tape recorder. Then describing of the mental images should be flowing and streaming. In the process of describing the images, he or she sees in her mind, okay, in this process of describing the images she or he sees in her mind or his mind, the participant should concentrate on sensory details, okay. That is, you can take the example of like, I feel the softness of the fresh laundry, my feet are pressed against the cold tiles, I smell the rain soaked air. So such kind of a sensory details should be explained. Then the participant should aim to make his or her live or potential listener different experiences what he or she sees. So in order to develop and maintain the flow of streaming imaginary, the participant should ask himself or herself new questions as to the nature of objects he or she sees in his or her mind and explore them in a detail. So relaying the mental images should be done in a hastened pace to avoid what? Judgment and the critical thinking. So this image streaming is to be exercised for at least 10 minutes each time they play the image streaming game. So over time this exercise improves what? Creativity and intelligence. The next exercise is challenge the traditional thinking. See, there is a traditional thinking in each one's mind. Challenging that traditional thinking is what? A kind of a exercise to create what? The creativity in the mind. So what is this exercise? We'll understand. See, this exercise also can be practiced in a group or individually. So the routine thinking is good for everyday task, since you perform the task without employing your mind and wasting energy on the thinking the process. Okay, you can take example of going to the college, the route you take to the college. Okay, if you take the same route to your work or your college every day, you soon drive on what? Autopilot. You become a autopilot, or you become a perfect for your route. Okay, so if however you have a task that requires you to take a different route to the college, then you have to concentrate and be aware of the left and right turns you make, right? So if your thoughts drift, you will find yourself going unintentionally in the regular route. Okay, you can also take another example like brushing your teeth every morning. You brush your teeth with the right hand in every morning, right? So from tomorrow you try brushing your teeth with your left hand. Okay, even that makes the mind creative or attentive. Okay, so If you wish to exercise creativity in solving problems, you have to stay clear of routine thinking. Okay. Then next comes is what? The gods must be crazy. So see, in this creativity exercise, you can encourage your friends to to take a part in the exercise and to become a bushman. Okay, it means that you need to collect 5 to 10 objects. You display an object to your friends and ask them to find a new use for it. This exercise encourages what? Creativity, since it forces the thinking process to erase or ignore what is known and come up with what? Fresh ways of looking at something familiar. Okay, next comes is what? Music story. That is, play a piece of classical music, preferably one that your participant or your friend do not know. Dim the lights. Instruct your participant or the friend to close their eyes and listen closely to the music. The music tells a story. It tells about the weather, about a poor or a rich man, about a mad love that is now dying. Ask each of your friend that he or she has to follow every plot twist, so every change of atmosphere, and then stop the music and ask your friends to write down their stories with as much as details as possible. Okay, this is what the music's story exercise. Okay. Next comes is combine ideas. Okay, see, in this exercise we combine okay, before going to this exercise, in day to day life we combine ideas all day long without even realizing it. We are often doubling or tripling the value of an action, letting it serve different purposes. But with deliberate creative thinking, we want to make use of this skill. So we want to make use of our lateral thinking abilities. We want to combine ideas in extraordinary ways so we can come up with stunningly brilliant and original ideas. Here you can get some practice at combining the ideas. Okay. So choose at a random 2 words from the lists. Okay. Then when you have selected 2 words, think about the words. Get clear in your mind what each word represents. Then in a notebook, do a rough mind map of each word and figure out what each means and represents to you. Okay, once you have gotten clear on what each word means to you, then you can start combining the ideas. Think about how the one thing relates or could relate to the other, and with this exercise you can come up with the different new ideas. Okay, next comes is hidden birds. Okay, in this exercise or in this game like exercise, you need to think creativity and look with sharp eyes. Buried in each of the sentences in the name of a bird. So the letters of the bird's name appear in sequence in the sentence. Through the name can be composed of letters in more than one word. So here we can take an example like we have high enrollment. We have a sentence here, sequence of a sentence, that is we have high enrollment. Then the answer can be hen. So you have 3 minutes to look for the hidden birds, at the end of which the group which has discovered all or most birds will be what declared as the winner. Okay, this is what the theory exercises for increasing the creativity. Okay, now we'll understand what practical exercises. Okay, the first exercise is what they have given here, 3 matchsticks. So make these 3 matchsticks into 6. No, and the instruction is what? No breaking into pieces. You are not supposed to break these matchsticks into pieces, but you have to make these 3 matchsticks into 6. Then what can be done? Think. Then the answer can be what? See, the 3 was given in the what? Roman format. The 3 matchsticks are given in the Roman format, and so we can be done the 6. We can do the 6 in the Roman only. And how it can be done? The first 2 matchsticks can be kept like V, that is like a 5, and the another one is 1. So it becomes what? The 6th number in Roman. Okay. The next exercise is, how can you throw a ball as hard as you can and have it come back to you even if it doesn't hit anything, there is nothing attached to it and no one else catches or throws it. They have given some balls here. Okay, you have to throw it in such a way that it should come back to you even if it does not hit to anything and there is nothing attached to it and no one else catches or throws it. Now understand the exercise and think for the answer. Think, think, think. So the answer is what? Throw the ball right up to the sky above from where you are standing and it will fall back to you. See, if you throw the ball from above where you are standing to the sky, if you throw it to the sky, it comes back because of gravity. Okay. The next exercise is, draw on a piece of paper the following dots. This is 3 into 3 dots. Okay. Then try to join the dots without lifting your pen. So you have to join these 3 into 3 dots without lifting your pen. Now draw it on your paper and try to join all these 3 into 3 dots. Think, think, think. And the answer is what? See, from the bottom dot you have to take it like this and you have to take the line or you have to join it out of the box so that to join all the dots. Okay. Okay. So the remaining exercises we'll understand in the next class. Okay. Thank you.